Excuse me. Are you Model T?
Yes, I am. How can I help you? Do you have French fries?
Oh, for God's sake.
Ow.
Have you seen Dry Blaster? He is great and Hillwood Poland has a Federal Signal radio.
Toward Model 7. He is at McDarley's. Model 7 might be able to help you out.
Thank you.
Oh, hello. I am Model 7. We are on the hunt for Dry Blaster. That one? Yes. That's him. Go to Mount Federal. There is a gold thunderbolt in a metal pole.
Thanks. Oh, hang on. Hello?
Did you find him yet?
No, we didn't.
Well, I know there is a gold thunderbolt atop Mount Federal. Do you have any French fries? No. No, I do not. Okay.
So he is on Mount Federal.
Yes, he is.
Oh. What's up? We are looking for Dry Blaster.
I can tell you all I know. If you fight me,
Let's battle.
okay. Last I saw Dry Blaster at ATI's Appetizers eating an Eclipse pizza. Let's go.
The fools. They still don't know I am controlling Dry Blaster. Soon they will be sent to Tornado Siren Hell.
Oh my god, that feels so much better.